Scotty. So, Scotty, you have adjusted, correct?
Yep.
Your cables.
They're adjusted.
Okay, and everything's good there.
Yep.
And I've got the handle pulled
Yep.
and locked.
Yep.
It didn't make any ratcheting sound, but I pulled it out and I turned it to the right and it's locked. You can see that it's locked. But I have, Scotty, I'm gonna just push the car a little.
Yeah, Brad, you're good.
Yeah, so.
Is there any tension?
Nothing. So, we need to go back up on the lift and adjust the rear shoes.
Okay.
Replace 2 parking brake cables. It's easy. You pretty much have a full day-ish in it at this point. But, Muskrat is on the job. I'm telling you, if I was going to breathe in this much smoke, I sure wish I was
I'd
at
go
a
back to
cigar
smoking
lounge.
cigarettes. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, this
We'd
is
smoke some cigars.
a couple of guacaludes,
You know, wear fishnets.
piano bar.
Fishnets
Oh,
and heels.
I do have the legs for it.
That's true. If you shaved your legs, I'd say do feet pictures, but nobody wants pictures of that.
You'd never believe what people want pictures of from me.
I'm not surprised. Okay, so back on the lift we go.